Good morning, students. Students, today we will start chapter number 6. That's name is Review Python. Students, first question is raised in front of us. What is Python? Students, Python is a programming language. Is it clear, students? It is a programming language. So, students, here we can understand according to this first input, then processing, and then output. Here an example is given clay. Students, firstly we can take raw clay and then mold the clay into the desired shape. Finally, a toy format has been made. This is your result. So input is taking clay, raw clay is input, and molding for making shape, this is called processing, and output is after completing the shape is output. Students, we can understand this thing in our life. This procedure is running like we want to make tea. Firstly we can take the pot, students, and put inside sugar, tea leaves, milk, water, etc. After that, boiling is called processing. After boiling, tea had been made. Tea has been made. So that is your result, means output. Students, in programming, this procedure is in input. Firstly, we can type the program, that is called input. Then after that, program is checked by the computer, that is called processing. Means executing the program is called processing. And after that, program has been made, that is your output, means result. Now, students, features of Python language. Python is a programming language. This language is simple and interactive. Students, features of Python language. First feature is simple and interactive. So we can say this language is very simple and for understanding easily. Second, platform independent. This language is platform independent language. Case sensitive. Students, two types of cases we are using, uppercase or lowercase, means capital letter or small letter. So this is case sensitive, so that is given in capital letter, you can write in capital, and that is given in small letter, you can write in small letter. Next, object oriented. So we can say, students, this language is based on OOPS. OOP means object oriented programming, OOP, object oriented programming. Next, interpreted language. Interpreted means, students, line by line checks the program in interpreting. Next, students, next feature, students, uses variables without declaration. Uses variables without declaration. Variables means just like a equal to 5, b equal to 6, etc. So a is variable, b is also variable. Next, students, if we want to use Python language, students, two working modes we are using in Python language. two working modes. First is interactive mode and second is script mode. Yes friends, interactive mode is very easier comparison to script mode. So interactive mode. In the interactive mode of Python, the interpreter executes the statements one by one or line by line. After the first statement is executed successfully, it moves to the next statement, means next line. It means that in the interactive mode, the statements are executed line by line, giving the output instantaneously. Students, students, how can we open Python language? Firstly, students, click on start button, then click all program option and then click Python 3.7. After clicking on Python 3.7, Python screen will appear on the screen. Students, here we can use print function. The print function can be used in the interactive mode as well as in the script mode. Just like in script mode we are using print command, print function, same in interactive mode we can use print function. Students, it is used to display user defined messages on the screen. Using the print function, we can also show the result of an expression once it is processed. Students, in print function we can use three commands. First, comma. What is the use of comma? To print the next value after a space. If we are using comma, then after we can use after print next value we can print after a space. Second, slash n to print new value in next line. Slash n means new line. Slash t means tab to print next value after a tab space. Students, is it clear?